Let's read Vickie's Vacation. Do you see them drawing? They're drawing a place where they would like to go to spend a vacation. It was raining outside, and Vickie Vulture was sad. She wanted to go outside and play. Amy had a great idea. Let's go on a vacation, she said. Do you see what they're picturing? That's where they want to go. Vickie wanted to go someplace where the sun was yellow, the sky was blue, and the grass was green, somewhere with a sparkling pool. So Vickie and Amy looked at pictures of vacation places. They found just the one they wanted. Do you see it? Is it this one? Is it the snowy one? No, which one has the yellow sun and the green grass and the sparkling pool and the blue sky? There it is. Vickie packed her swimming suit and sneakers. She put her violet vest and her volleyball into her suitcase too. Then she looked everywhere for her shirt with the letter V on it. Vickie couldn't find her shirt. Can you find Vickie's shirt with the letter V? Point to it. She was wearing it. Vickie and Amy were ready to go, but they didn't have a way to get to their vacation place. So they went to see Karen Kangaroo. Do you see that it's raining outside? So what did they carry? An umbrella. And they're wearing raincoats and rain boots. There were lots of kittens in Karen's kitchen. Can you find the things they are playing with? Point to the red kettle. Point to Karen's blue key ring. And point to the big yellow ball. We can build a wagon, Karen said. Now Amy, Vickie, Karen, and the kittens could go on a vacation. The three alphabet pals built a wagon out of red squares and yellow squares of wood. They nailed the squares together. Vickie had a red square and she colored a red square. Amy added the small yellow square. Then they added some blue wheels to the bottom of the wagon. The blue wheels are what shape? Are they squares or circles? Are they circles? Yes, they are. The pals decorated the wagon with orange, green, and purpley blue streamers. The wagon looked like a rainbow. Do you see the orange streamers? The greenish streamers that Karen colored? And bluish purple ones that Amy did. When the pals were ready, they shouted, "Let's go!" Do you see the kittens playing with the streamers too? How many kittens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 kittens. Karen drove the red and yellow wagon down the hill. The orange and green and purpley blue streamers were blowing in the wind. The blue wheels went round and around. The pals were heading for a green square with a blue circle in it. They went around down the path to the green square. That's the shape of a square, kind of from an angle. And it has a blue circle in it. Do you know what the blue circle is? This is Vacation Land, and it has a sign that says Vacation Land welcomes you. Splash! Everyone tumbled into the blue circle. It was the wading pool in the park. It wasn't where the pals thought they would go on vacation, but they were happy. They sang, "We have a sun that's yellow, 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 sky that's blue, 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 grass that's green, 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 and a sparkling little pool that's cool." Do you think the cats were happy to be in the pool? Cats don't like water. They got them out of the water. But they were happy. They were in a sparkling little pool that's cool. Who were with Vickie on her vacation? There's Vickie Vulture, Karen Kangaroo, and Amy Bunny. Thank you for reading with me. I love you.